Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the circle maze in CapCut PC. So for example, I'm just going to add the video the track. I'm just going to select the maze and select circle maze. So you can resize and select your object, and you can use the keyframe here. So just click on the keyframe and swipe to the right, and yeah, you can hold the object with the circle maze. And we can also add it to resize. So this is a final that you have on your video. So that's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.